Welcome back to the Python series. So let's continue with the operators. So let's start with logical operators. Generally we have three logical operators in Python. They are AND operator, OR operator and then NOT operators. So let's start with AND operator. For this let's create a small program. Just take the input of A and B two numbers from the user and then just verify and print whether they are even numbers or not. So let's see this. So now how can we just verify two numbers are even or not? So generally by doing modulus by 2. If the modulus of a given number by 2 is 0, then we can say that the number is even number. If not, then we can say that it is odd number. So that we have two conditions here. We have to check whether both of them are even or both of them are odd. So the condition is A modulus 2 should be equal to 0. We have another B modulus 2 equal to 0. These are two conditions, and now we have to compile or compare two conditions at a time. And then how can we do that? In this situation, to compare two or more conditions at the time, logical operators comes into picture. So let's use AND operator, logical AND. So let's print. Now if both the given numbers are even, then it will give a boolean value true. So let's run this. It's asking for a number. So let's give 6 and the other number is 8. Here we can see we got true, as 6 and 8 are even numbers. So let's see for another numbers. Let's give a number as 6 and then here 9. Oh, we got false here. Oh, why we got false here? So in order to know the behavior of a logical operator, we need to know the truth tables first. So let's see the truth table. This is the truth table of our AND operator. So here we can see we have three columns, P, Q and then R. P, Q are the resultant output for each condition, and R is the resultant for both the conditions at a time. So here we have true for the first one and true for the second condition. So we got the final result as true. And in this we have true, false and then we got false. If both are false, we got false. If one is false and another is true, we got false. So the AND operator will return true if and only if both the conditions are true. In all other cases, it will return false. So that is the reason why we got false in this situation. So now let's move to the next operator, OR operator. So let's place OR here. Now let's run this. So let's give 6 and then 8. As usual we got true. Now let's run again. So let's give here 6 and then 9. Here we got true. So why is it true here? For AND we got false, but for OR we got true. So let's move on to the truth table of OR operator. So here is the truth table for OR operator. So here also we have the same output for first condition P, output for second condition Q and the resultant condition. Here first one is true, true we got true, true and false we got true, false or true we got true, false and false we got false. And here according to the OR operator will give true if at least one of the output is true. So this is the reason why we got true here. Now let's move to the another operator, NOT operator. NOT operator generally just reverses the actual result. So let's see this. So let's run this. Here we got true. Let's give the same numbers. Here we can see we got false. Actually we got true for our operator. After placing not, we got the result as reversed, that is false. So this is how we use not operator. So now let's see identity operators. Generally we have two identity operators, that is and then is not. So let's make them into comments. For this, let's create two lists. Y let's take Z equals to X. So let's see identity operators. So first let's run this. What would be the output? So let's check this. Here we got false. Sorry, my mistake. I forgot to keep a comma. So let's run this. So here we got true as both the X and Y has same content. So now let's run the second one. So let's run this. Oh, here we got false. In the first case we got true, but here we got false. So let's run the third one also. Here we got Z is X is Z, as we gave the same here. So what is the difference between the first one and then the second one? So why is it happening like this? We know that double equal to is a relational operator. It will just check out the content inside the variables. While coming to the identity operators not only just compare the content inside the variables, but also they will compare whether both the variables are representing the same object or not. Here same object in sense that they both are related to the same object, that is the IDs are same. So let's see the IDs. So let's run this. Here we can see we got two different IDs, so that these are two different objects. So now let's check for X and Z. So let's run this. Here we can see we got same IDs, so that these two are same objects, that both X and Z represent the same object, whereas X and Y represent different objects. So this is the reason why we got false for this one and then true for the other one. In the same way, the other identity operator is not also works. So let's see is. And then we can also just see the difference between not equal to and then is not. Let's run this. Here we can see we got false. As not equal to, we'll just compare the content. Here the content is same, so we got false. And whereas here is not will compare the address or IDs, so it gave true. So that's about identity operators. So now let's move on to the membership operators. Generally we have two membership operators. One is in and then not in. So let's see them. So let's print off Python in X. So just copy this. Y. So let's run this. Here we can see we got both true. So here in operator just works like double equal to in the previous one, that is relational operator double equal to. It will just see the content. It will return true if the sequence with specified value is present, and false if the sequence with value is not present. Now let's see not in. So let's run this. Here we see we got false as Python is present in Y, as we ask not in, so it returned false. So let's change it Python. Let's run this. Here we can see we got true. And that's about membership operators.